Amazon down, Google down, Microsoft down, Apple down, Tesla down, Coin down, Robinhood down, so on and so on and so on, etc. and etc. You know who is not down? You know who is not laying people off? Surprise, surprise, mother effers. Palantir is increasing its staff by 25% year end. Palantir is going against the grain, as my man Arnie would like to say. Palantir is growing while others are diminishing and laying off their workforce. Why? Palantir is an absolute beast, and it just takes a little bit for them to be accepted by the world. I think slowly but surely people are understanding the absolute value of Palantir. Slowly but surely, Palantir is hiring the right staff to open up the right doors, to get in front of the right people, to increase their contracts exponentially and actually realize their full potential and their TAM, total addressable market. They are an absolute force to be reckoned with. They are literally protecting the United States and her allies, and I am not being over dramatic here. That is a freaking fact, not a matter of opinion. We have that meme-like culture army without being meme-like. You know why? There has not been a single instance in history where a meme stock just locked up a $100 million contract extension over the course of 2 years. Not a single contract of that size has ever came to a meme stock. Therefore, Palantir is not a meme stock. Let's check out this article that just came out by Bloomberg. Absolutely freaking massive. Thiel's Palantir boosts hiring while others are cutting jobs. Because as I have mentioned on this channel many other times, Palantir has no debt. Palantir has reoccurring revenue. They are not profitable. I will give you that. That's 100%. However, they have no debt. They have assets, and they have billions of dollars in guaranteed money coming along in the next couple of years from contract obligations and a few more billions of dollars with possible extensions from contracts. It is freaking absurd that people don't recognize what Palantir is. And because Palantir is growing, and because they have this, Palantir is able to grow and thrive during a recession and a market downtrend. I honestly believe that 2023 is going to be a breakout year for Palantir. Not so concerned with earnings on Monday, although I want them to go up. I am more concerned with Q2 and Q3 of 2023, as I've been saying many times before on this mother effing channel, on many other videos. And thank you so much for making this channel a success and growing. And while I'm here cursing and sounding absurd, please click on the like down below and show me some love so the algorithm picks up this channel and more people can hear about Algorand. The move reflects the ethos of the company's chairman and co-founder Peter Thiel, who built a fortune by going against popular opinion in Silicon Valley. Palantir, which sells data analysis software to the governments and companies, is on track to increase headcount by 25% by the end of the year, Lisa Gordon, a spokesperson for the company, told Bloomberg. Palantir had already hired or extended offers to 1,100 new employees so far by this year and expects to add another 300 by the end of the year. Palantir headcount will soon reach around 3,670, up from 2,920 the end of 2021. The conventional response to economic uncertainty is to slow down or cut back. So a lot of these companies ramped up hiring during coronavirus, and now they're firing those people because they're no longer needed because there is a downturn. That's what many companies are doing now, including Alphabet, Apple, and Meta. They have taken steps to cool recruiting, and Amazon shed about 100,000 jobs, not to mention Netflix, Microsoft, and Oracle. Palantir has not been immune to market's trend and has been dragged down with the tech sector. Its shares have declined 38% of the year, but the stock is up 2% on this hiring news this Friday. Now, this is 2% while the rest of the market is going down because of the jobs report. If the jobs report came in softer and there were more people looking for work, well, then Palantir would have been through the freaking roof. So in the beginning, Alex Karp says we don't need a sales force. Our product speaks for itself, very much like Tesla. However, he changed. Karp's view on salespeople has evolved. The company made it a top priority in recent years to build a sales team as part of a larger goal to win government and commercial customers. Shyam Sankar, the chief operating officer, told Bloomberg in February that Palantir would add at least 175 people in sales this year. Last I heard it was like 100, so 175 is a welcomed piece of information. Palantir also works with IBM, Hyundai Heavy Industries Group, and others to help sell its software to companies. Of the 1,400 new hires planned for 2022, a significant portion outside of the sales department will be software engineering. Competition for top engineering talent remains fierce, but hiring them has gotten somewhat easier as the economy has contracted. One thing Palantir won't focus on in its pitch to recruits is workplace perks such as free meals or bringing your dog to work. And I quote, "We're not quibbling over trinkets," she said. "We're finding people who are aligned with our mission and who really want to be there." So there's a beef between Palantir and Silicon Valley. That's why they moved out of Silicon Valley to Denver, Colorado. Silicon Valley is not pro-America, it's pro-anybody, and it's kind of like against America. So America, you're biting the hand that feeds you. America gave you all these billions of dollars, trillion-dollar companies, and you kind of take a shit on America. Palantir is like, nope, that's not what we're doing. And it's so funny because Peter Thiel and Alex Karp are completely two different points of the spectrum. Guys, Palantir is an absolute beast. On Monday, I will be doing a live with Emmanuel and Arnaldo. Arnaldo will be crunching the numbers while me and Emmanuel will talk in our accents. It will be hella fun. I'm starting the live at 7 a.m. I believe they're going to join me at 7:30 a.m. this coming Monday on this channel. Is going to be hella fun. Currently, Palantir is doing pretty good. I bought 5 contracts just for a week. They end at the end of next week. As soon as I saw the downturn, I think we were down like 3-point-something%. I bought those contracts. So far, I am doing good. Palantir is an absolute beast. I want my money. And I'm just happy that we're going up a little bit. It's a lot easier to talk about a company, about your investment. When it is going up, you are a lot more bullish and your enthusiasm goes up as opposed to when it's going down. And we had a very bad 6 months. I'm happy to see possibly that the next 6 months are going to be a lot better, but I'm not getting too optimistic about Monday's earnings, although I do think we're going to beat. There are a lot of other things, uncertainties. So it's very important to see if any of our contracts from Europe came through due to this geopolitical uncertainty that we have right now with Russia and Ukraine. Guys, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.